Hi there, welcome to UPDF YouTube channel. Are you struggling with a locked PDF and wondering how to access its contents? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to open a password-protected PDF using UPDF. There are two cases that you will have. One is that your PDF is protected by an opening password, and the other is protected by a permissions password. We will show you how to open these two types of PDFs. Before you get started, make sure to download UPDF using the link provided in the description. Way 1. Open password-protected UPDF with entering opening password. Double-click on the UPDF icon on your computer and drag the PDF with an opening password to UPDF. You will see it asks you to enter the opening password. Just enter the password you have and click Unlock. Now you open the password-protected PDF successfully. Way 2. Open a password-protected PDF with permissions password. If you have a permission password on your PDF, you can drag the PDF to UPDF to open it directly. But if you want to edit it, you need to click Protect Using Password. Select Remove Security, click the Remove button in the pop-up window, then enter the password. Click Remove and save the PDF without permissions password you need. Then go to Edit PDF to click on it and you can edit the PDF now. If you find this video helpful to open password-protected PDFs, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. And hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.